Start with a slip knot and chain 40 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4 plus 1 chain for the turning chain. This measures around 9 inches. Next on, 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one. And 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Now to make the turning chain, chain 2, insert your hook in the first chain stitch and pull up a loop, turn your work and insert your hook in the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next on, 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. That's total 4 double crochets. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th stitch make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches, that is total 4 double crochets. Now repeat this until the end. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 stitches and 1 double crochet each in the next 4 stitches. Chain 3, skip 3, Once you reach the end, make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert your hook in the first stitch, the first chain stitch, and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert your hook in the first stitch. Pull through first 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round, 1 double crochet is already made. 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. Now the next stitch we'll be making in this round, the second round, this double crochet round, we'll be working in this stitch, the middle stitch. 1 front post treble crochet in this stitch, this one. Yarn over twice. This is the middle stitch. Make a front post treble crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops, second 2 loops, and finally the last 2. That's 1 front post treble crochet made. Chain 1 and 1 more front post treble crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over twice, make a front post treble crochet, first 2 loops, second 2 loops, and finally the last 2. Now repeat the same in rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet in each and every stitch over here, the 4 double crochets. Now we'll be working in this row. 1 front post treble crochet in the middle stitch. Chain 1. 1 more front post treble crochet in the same stitch. Now continue making it. Now make the turning chain. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next on 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. We've already made 1 double crochet. Now here you will be making the first stitch in the front post treble crochet and 1 double crochet in this chain 1 space. 1 double crochet on this front post treble crochet. That's total 3 double crochets over here. Make the turning chain. That's the turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next on 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Make the turning chain. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Now keep repeating round number 3, 4, 5 and 6. We've already made one double crochet in each in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3, skip 3 and 1 double crochet each in the next 4 stitches. This is how the pattern will look. This is the back. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.